Alright, so got the fan trimmed up, and I've got my donor connector. Just gonna connect the dots. Alright, not as much room for heat shrink this time. That's okay. I kind of like the way it did last time when I twisted these two together a little bit, so I'm going to do it again. And yeah, that looks good. So I'm just going to solder these up and so the idea is now is I can take this guy and this will just plug right into that, and then this will plug into the stock fan header. And then I've got two fans now on the same base connector from the printer. And so you can kind of see what I did here. Maybe a little bit better. There we go. So one connector for two fans. I'll cut over and show you what it looks like on the printer. Alright, so I'm back. I'm gonna add the fans in now. I'm gonna try to put these in place in a way that wires and everything don't mess with any of the gears or any of the belts. Let's see here. Sorry you're not going to be able to see all of this. You'll just have to believe me. Okay. So our stock connector, I guess you can't see that. Yeah, so there's our stock connector there. So she's just going to plug right into that. And then it'll be cable management. Alright, moment of truth. Okay, everything so far so good. We haven't created any shorts. Let's see if we can get the fans to come on. If we're lucky. Nice. Okay, front fan works. Looking good. Come down here to the other side. And the rear fan also works. Good. So now we've doubled our cooling output. Not bad. Whoa, lots of airflow there. Nice. All right. Let's go ahead and turn the fans off. Fans go off. Awesome. Alright, well, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. I will be posting some pictures on Instagram and Twitter, and also the website, of how this new cooling setup improves the prints, hopefully. Thanks for watching.